All right.
Now, fill that fucking fridge right up. Now, it works really good up here in New England, too, where creeks are normally pretty fucking cold.
Now, if they don't float downriver.
Nah, they ain't gonna float downriver. Unless overnight you get one hell of a fucking rain shower and she floods. Oh, this will not work if there's a dam up above that somebody will open. Then beer will float downriver. Only thing you got to worry about now is getting drunk and falling in trying to get a beer.
Whew. Oh, we just lost. Oh shit. Camera flip.
Alright. Keep those babies cool. I always keep them cool.